Hello guys, welcome to Techno for You. Today I'm gonna compare the sound quality between Sony Heron headset and Motorola Tracks Air or Soul Republic Tracks Air Bluetooth headset. First of all, let me tell you about that. The Sony Heron is a wired headset, but the Moto Tracks Air is a wireless headset, but it can also connect with a, 3.5 jack cable. So, and regarding the price, I'm comparing this both of these two beautiful devices. So let's get started. So guys, these are two beautiful headphones. So first of all, let me connect uh, this jacks with both of these devices. So actually both are 3.5 jack, and the Sony MDR is runs with 40 sound booster, but the Trax Air is with 30 booster. So let's see the difference between these devices. Okay, so let's just input this jacks. Okay, so the headphones are ready. So let's get ready the device. So guys, I will connect these headphone jacks with the same device with one cord, and I will play the one song to feel the difference between this device. So let's start the song.
Shall we begin?
Okay guys, so let me come to close this.
Let's begin.
This is in full volume. This is Sony Heron headset.
Let's begin.
Okay, so let me hear the tracks here sound. Let me remove this. Feel the beat. Okay, so let's stop this music. So guys, what do you think about the sound quality of these devices? So which one is best? Let me know in the comment section, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you.